What does he want?" Yuka called behind Lusa. She could feel every suspicious eye on her from the camp around. Lusa did not answer. She did not step aside for Fowler's either, but raised her hands higher and spoke fervently. Fowler stared at Yuka for a long while, but blinked and turned to Lusa at the last of her words. He glanced back at the girl that he had thrown to the ground. Yuka could swear that for a moment she saw a small flicker of guilt past his face. With an angry outburst of noise, Fowler went back into the tent, leaving Lusa standing where she was, Yuka prone on the ground, and 100 eyes still staring at all of them.